Hello YouTube, Wolfway here. Today I'll tell you 2 ways of how to open Task Manager in Windows 10. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and check out my Discord channel if you need any help, and let's get into it. The first way is by right-clicking on the taskbar, and you will see Task Manager over here. And when you open it, you will see Processes, Performance, App History, Startup, Users, Details, and Services. The second way is by using the search bar. And if you cannot find the search bar anywhere, like mine, all you have to do is by right-click on the taskbar and go to Search and show search box. And you will see search bar pop up over here. And after that, search Task Manager. And you will see Task Manager over here. And just run it. And here it is, the Task Manager. Thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a like if you like this video, and see you next time.